Hello my beauties. We are here today and we are getting ready to do a video showing you how to do a pop-up shop table. Again, when you come to your events, you want to have your container full of the things that you're going to need. So in this one here, because I wasn't expecting to do a lot, it was a very small event, I had just a few of our bags that we have here at LingerieLashes, cute stickers, you know, just a bag with a cute sticker and other little gifts with purchases kind of in here, and also some other inventory. Yeah. So, and again, this kind of bag goes under the table. So we have these here, and this here is our compact mirror, our lash compact mirror, not lash compact mirror, our compact mirror. That looks like this, and I don't take the tape off of this. I actually leave that on and just put it up. Actually make sure it works and everything. So I'll sit it up so that it works. And sometimes I'll just use mine because it just works a little bit better. People won't just touch it so much. But for the purpose of this right now, we'll put this up here. Okay, so once we've done that, we want to figure out where we want to sit our compact mirror. So here we have everything for our stuff here. We're just missing one thing. Okay, so I have the tweezers set there. I have my lash compact mirror. I want to keep the light on. That's why I like to use mine, so I don't feel bad about wasting the light. Or you have one that is just for this purpose, and then you want to keep batteries for that. We put like a couple of our cards out. And again, want to have these just because it's kind of big. You could have it on the table or not. But I prefer to kind of have these away. And you just want to have your business cards kind of in one central place. I kind of like to have them in one central place, and then you can kind of direct the people directly there. You're like, no, just go straight to the front. It's right there. It's the business card. And then here you can have your pen that we like to use. I have a feather pen that I take. I create a whole vibe, y'all. Whole vibe. So use our feather pen here to sign up for our mailing list. And this here is what our whole setup will look like when you do a pop-up. It kind of gives you a feel of lingerie lashes. And again, you want to have an area where you're able to just kind of have something in the back. Give yourself a little space to kind of have maybe your phone there, or again, the square. Put the square behind all of that. And then over here in the corner, the last final touch that I love to do here, get the Wi-Fi connection code. You're on your iPad, you want to go to your website, and you want to pull up your latest items. Or you can have just a pop-up page that you actually do on your website that you kind of hide or you keep just for the pop-up day, and it's just a view of the items in a way that you want them to be viewed, or very easily for them to be viewed at a pop-up station. So for instance, if I had this upside down like this, it kind of looks a little ugly like that, but then if I was to do it the way that I just had it, because that's kind of how I've got it going, it's easier for them to view, and you can kind of scroll across to see what other items it is that we offer. So you can slide across to see the new items that we offer. This is actually, yeah, so cute. This is our latest collection, which is dressed up and dripped out. Beautiful collection. So yes, we would have this sitting up here just to kind of draw the people in a little bit. Maybe I'd have a video going or something of that nature, but this right here kind of gives you a little bit of what it would look like to do your own pop-up shop, and how LingerieLashes does a pop-up shop. So yes, don't forget to comment, subscribe, drop down your website. go ahead, feel free to shop our website, and all of these luxurious things will be there on our website, which will be in the description box. And I will actually have a QR code at the end if you want to just scan that G thing. You can do that too. So thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, keep subscribing, keep thumbing them up, and thank you so much again. Can't wait to see you in our next one. All right,